How to turn off captions on TikTok. Hi, for today we are back again to our quick and easy video tutorial on how to turn off captions on TikTok. So first is you have to make sure that your TikTok application is updated. So all you have to do is to go to your Play Store and search TikTok. Now if you will see an update button, you have to click on that and wait for it to be updated. And as you can see, I don't have any update button, which means my TikTok application is updated. Now, if your application is already updated, we can now start on our tutorial. So let's go back to the home page. Now, what you want to do next is to open your TikTok application. And in here, it will actually directly lead you to your home page where you will see all the videos and all. Now all you have to do is, for example, you want to turn off the captions. Let's just find a video. Since I can't find a video, I actually made a video. Here is the sample. So as you can see, the caption is already there. For example, you're watching the video, you do not like to see the caption since you want to see the whole video or something, then all you have to do is to click on that caption. Now if you click on that caption, you will see hide captions. Now if you click on that, it will actually lessen, and on the left side you will see this icon, the square icon there. So that means you have actually hidden the caption for that video. Now if you click that again, the caption will now show. Click on the caption, then click on hide captions to turn off the captions on TikTok. So that concludes this tutorial. I hope you find this useful, and if you did, please like the video and subscribe to the channel, and please leave any questions you may have in the comment section, and have a great day.